Are you confused on how to use essential oils? The May recipe box makes it super easy to make all natural products daily. Let's make this Greener Pastures Roll-On so that you can feel like you're playing in the fields too. With this recipe, you'll be able to feel like you're in the great outdoors wherever you are. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their everyday life. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started on our first recipe. Here's what you'll need for your first recipe. Grab your bonus box and your May recipe box, and let's get all of our ingredients. What you'll need for this recipe is your fractionated coconut oil from your bonus box, a roll-on from your bonus box, and from your recipe box, rosemary, patchouli, and basil. Also, since I'm super messy, I grabbed a funnel. All right, first step is you're gonna wanna take your cap off of your roll-on bottle. I'm gonna put my funnel in and put in my essential oils. So you will need 2 drops of rosemary, 2 drops of patchouli, and last but not least, 2 drops of basil. All right, what I like to do now is just kind of swirl the oils around a little bit, and then I will add our coconut oil. Ta-da! All right, now you're gonna wanna put your little roller guy back in and then swirl it a little bit and you're all set. Last but not least, you'll wanna put on your label. Ta-da! Now it's all set. You can make this too. Smells great. I absolutely love this guy. It makes me feel like I'm frolicking out in a field and there are flowers and daisies and leaves everywhere. I absolutely love seeing your creations, so go ahead and take a picture and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all of your wonderful creations. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making natural recipes super easy. Go get yours today.